In this video, we are going to talk about the best action camera for filming car videos. There are so many different cameras out there, but in this video we'll go over some key things like resolution, frame rate, recording formats, and what kind of mounting options they have. We'll also take a look at budget-friendly cameras as well as ones that are better suited for professionals. So sit back and enjoy. I'll leave the links to discuss cameras in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest prices. Starting our list with GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is the best action camera for recording videos from a car or any other vehicle. It won the T3 Award of 2021, which proves its worth in the action camera industry. The GoPro action cameras are super well known and popular among extreme sports vloggers who want to film car videos. The action camera has a lot to offer for extreme sports lovers, including racing and drifting enthusiasts. In terms of features and performance, this is the best single-lens action camera. It's also one of the few that's capable of shooting a 5K video, courtesy of a new 23-megapixel sensor that captures excellent detail. Hero 9 Black is ideal for vlogs about drifting or racing cars, having high-quality 5K at 30 frames per second and especially improved electronic image stabilization. With the GoPro app, you can remotely control the camera, preview pictures, share them directly, and make edits on the go through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections even sitting in the car. The Hero 9 has a larger battery pack than past models in size and power. It's got a removable 1720 lithium-ion battery, 3 mics, voice control, waterproof, and weighs 158 grams, no frame required. The 4 built-in capture presets, standard, activity, cinematic, and slow-mo, let you quickly get started recording without getting bogged down in endless settings, which is a key selling point for GoPro. The camera does run a little hot, which may be a downside, but it is normal in action cameras if you use it continuously. This camera comes with Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi, which is an appreciable feature for car videos. Additionally, you will have a micro SD card slot and USB-C port that allow you to charge and transfer video. It also supports live streaming via an app, which proves a handy option for some users. Just 2 button controls provide easy operation, power mode on the left side and record start-stop on the top right. The most important thing to use for recording car videos is that you need to buy a suction mount to securely place it on any side of the car. It costs around $400, which is quite well as it provides excellent features. At number 2 it is GoPro Hero 8 Black. Hero 8 is another best product from GoPro when we talk about the top action cameras. This Hero 8 action camera is also extremely helpful for car videos for its 4K video recording and slow motion footage. The camera captures 4K video at 60 frames per second or Full HD at 240 frames per second for slow motion footage. This Hero 8 is waterproof. As mostly the camera is placed outside the car and it is important to get a waterproof item, so with this Hero 8, you can capture videos in any weather without worrying about getting wet. It features 4 digital lenses, narrow, distortion-free linear, wide, and super view, so you can capture the best views according to your requirements. Despite the lack of an autofocus system, which is a downside, the device features a much improved image stabilization mode that is extremely helpful for capturing videos and photos. Image stabilization technology developed by GoPro that rivals gimbal capabilities without the need for external stabilization hardware, mounting, or power. Furthermore, this GoPro has a built-in microphone and is also compatible with a number of external microphones. The camera runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Some users of Hero 8 complained about short battery life, which is a possible downside. Other than that, there is nothing much to complain about. At number 3, it is DJI Osmo Action Cam. DJI Osmo Action is an affordable action camera with a number of features. DJI Osmo Action Cam is one of the top competitors of GoPro's action cameras. The camera features 2 crisp screens, one on the back and the second on the front next to the lens to help you frame from both front and back. The Rocksteady stabilizing technology delivers great, steady footage while you are driving or drifting. Its dual screens, Rocksteady technology for image stability, 4K video capture, 11-meter waterproof construction, as well as voice control make it one of the most versatile options for car videos and other outdoor captures. It supports 4K capture at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, or 60 frames per second. The most interesting feature of this Osmo is that you can even shoot in 8x slow motion for dramatic clips that will make your car videos more understandable and fun. On the downside, it lacks an autofocus system to help you track moving subjects as you are using it for cars. Also, its minimum shutter speed performance is poor, so you don't have a lot of flexibility when shooting in low-light situations. Just like GoPros, the Osmo Action also offers a variety of controls, including voice control. There are 2 microphones built into the cam. However, there is no live streaming support, so if you want a live streaming feature then you can go with GoPro 9. It costs around $200, but doesn't forget to arrange a suction mounter cup for placing it on the car. At number 4, it's Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition. Now let's talk about the most well-suited and high-cost action camera for shooting your car videos. The name Twin Edition is a result of its dual camera design, which includes 2 interchangeable lenses. The highest qualities are 4K at 60 frames per second on the 4K module. The 2 lens modules impress on specs. The 4K wide-angle mod is a 16.4mm focal length, 35mm equivalent lens that can snap photos in 12 megapixels and 8 megapixels and shoot video in 4K 60 frames per second. It also manages 200 FPS in Full HD, allowing 8x slow-mo footage. In addition to the various shooting modes, AI-powered algorithms augment a particularly impressive feature called Auto Frame, which automatically identifies and picks out the action in 360-degree videos. If you want your action camera footage to go in all kinds of different directions while vlogging, the Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition is a great choice for you. Thanks to scene detection technology, your footage will remain stable and clear in low lighting for vlogging. With its smartphone app, Insta360 ONE R users will be able to view live and instant replays and edit them and operate it via voice control, similar to GoPro cameras. To get all these features, you have to pay around $490, and the suction cup is also required for capturing car videos. At number 5, it's Akaso Brave 7 Leader Z. The Akaso Brave 7 is an affordable action camera for recording car videos. If you need a front-screen action camera under $150, look no further. A similar feature is available on the GoPro Hero 9 and on the DJI Osmo Action, but a second screen comes at a fraction of the cost, as it is a low-cost alternative. It offers several shooting options, including time-lapse video and photo modes, slow motion, and loop recording. Besides capturing 4K video and 20 megapixel still images, you'll receive a 6-axis stabilization system. You can choose between 9 different manual combinations of resolutions and frame rates depending on your needs, from 720p at 240 fps all the way up to 4K at 30 fps. If you want the best quality picture, you'll need to set it to 4K 30 with image stabilization and high quality. You can shoot at up to 120 frames per second and shoot slow motion or fast action footage. You get several shooting options including video and photo time-lapse modes, slow motion, and loop recording. Moreover, it is not as powerful camera as you'll find on a GoPro, but is affordable for car videos. And with that, we come to the end of our review. I hope this list helps you to choose the right camera for recording and shooting car videos and photos.